Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Bitget to TradingView. Alright, so first up, open up both TradingView and Bitget right here. So in your TradingView account, so just go ahead and locate some stocks right here, for example, or even futures. Okay, for example, you fancy of Apple stocks, just go ahead and click on this icon to open up the graph. Okay, wait for it to load. And then here, go ahead and click on full chart. Wait for it. After once done, what we're going to do in here, okay, just basically find the trading panel. So where do we find that? So before you will have the trading panel right here. You can just click on it, but now it's different. Okay. The only way to find the trading panel is by going to the top right. Okay. Click on trade. And it says here trade with your broker. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and click on show all brokers. Okay. And find Bitget right here. So just go ahead and scroll down a bit. And if you can't find it, you can use the search bar. Okay. Click on Bitget and it needs an API and passphrase. So where do we find that? To find it, go ahead over to your Bitget account, tap on your profile or hover over it and just click on API keys. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, you're going to want to create your API right here. Okay. Create and just use a system generated if you want to. If not, you can use user generated API right here. So system generated, and as you can see here, you can give it a node or a name. For example, a Bitget to TradingView, just like so. Now what you do is just enter 8 to 32 alphanumeric characters right here, and make sure you remember it. All right, and the permissions, make sure that it is set to read and write only. Okay, permissions right here. If you want to, you can go ahead and give all permissions. Or, for example, you don't like to add taxation for this connection. Well, you can enter taxation right here. Also, sub accounts if you want to. Okay, and once you have your passphrase, again, make sure that you remember it. So just go ahead and click on next, and it will show you your passphrase and also your API key. So what you'll do is just go back here to TradingView, paste the API, paste the passphrase, and hit on connect. And once that's done, you should be good to go. And that is how you connect a Bitget to TradingView. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.